Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
आम्ही पहिली खोर्जिया गेले. खोर्जिया ते मँगो ट्री पडलेली ती कट केली. त्यांच्यान आमकां आमचो आमदार काल्लूज आसा पळय थंय त्यांनी आमकां हेल्प केलो आनी तांणी मागीर सांगलें आमकां मोयरा थंय एक ट्री पडल्या रोडाचेर म्हणून तेणी थंय हाडले आमकां आनी तो आमच्या बरोबर आसा. आमकां तेणी सपोर्ट केलो आनी आमी तेच बरोबर आमी ते इमिजिएटली काम स्टार्ट करून रोड क्लियर केलो.
We had a major problem here in Moira, near the church or behind the Comunidad. There was a big tree fallen down, and contacting Mr. Ruben and Mr. Arman, they immediately contacted the fire brigade, and they, with a short notice, they were here to cut down the tree and clear the road. First of all, for the people from Kantoli moving with 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, and they cleared the road. And now is the next step for the linesmen to restore the power, which we are hoping it will be done very soon. We thank the fire brigade for doing us such a wonderful help late night, irrespective of the working hours or whatever the overtime or what, I don't know. But they were prompt in their service. It's a big thanks to them for helping us.